guys, welcome to Simply Math. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. In this episode, we're going to talk about evaluating algebraic expressions. An example of an algebraic expression is that, as you can see in my notes, is that x plus 5 4 thirds times pi times r to the third square root of 2m to the third n to the second. So we're in here in x plus 5. 5 is the constant and x is a variable. And when you say an algebraic expression, it's a collection of constants and variables joined together by algebraic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So in our previous lessons, just take note of this. We're going to use this when we raise something to the power of something. That means that you are multiplying it and the number times that is raised. For example, negative 3 raised to 5 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 2 to the 7th raised to 3 is 2 times 7 times 2 times 7 times 2 times 7. X to the 5th is x multiplied 5 times, and y to the z is yz to the third power is equal to y to the yz multiplied 3 times. Now, let's have some examples when it comes to constants and variables. So in terms of the constants and variables, these are the sample examples. So x plus 5, where an x is a variable, 5 is a constant. Here, 4 thirds pi r to the third. 4 thirds is still a constant. Pi is a constant because it represents a number, and r to the third is a variable. Variable means that it may be some kind of a number, or there's a number that represents to it, or we insert any kind of number there. For letter C, it's to square root of 2 to the 2 times m3, m to the third power, n to the second power. So 2 is a constant, m and n are variables. How about this? 2 pi r times r plus h. So 2 pi is a constant, r and h are variables. And 2l plus w multiplied. So 2 constant, l and w are variables. And here 4 is a constant and y is a variable. Now let's look at how we evaluated algebraic expressions. So if you're given 2x minus 7, when x is equal to 0, just substitute 0 to x, and then you get 2 times 0, which is 0, minus 7, which is negative 7. X to the 1, substitute 1, 2 times 1 is 2, minus 7 is negative 5. For number 3, x is 1/2. 2 times, substitute 1/2 to x, so 1/2, that's only 1. So that's 1 minus 7 is 6, negative 6. And lastly, we have x is equal to negative 4. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Negative 8 minus 7, that would give you 15. So I have some more examples for evaluating the algebraic expression. So example, you have x plus 5 is equal to x is equal to negative 5. So that's negative 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. How about this next number? T over 2 over all over 2 times t minus 1. So t is equal to 10. So just substitute 10 to it and then substitute 10 here. So 10 in the numerator. 2 times 10 is 20. 20 minus 1 is 19 over 10. 10 over 19. How about this one? 4/3 pi r to the third times 5. 4/3 pi r to the third is 4/3 pi times 5 to the 5 raised to 3. That's 4 times 125 pi, and that would give you 4 times 125 is 500 over, don't forget the 3, the denominator. And then v is a plus a plus a times b plus b, wherein a is 11 and b is negative 8. So you just substitute 11 to a, 11, and negative 8 to b, negative and negative. So that would be 11 times negative 8, which is negative 88, and negative 8. So 11 minus 88 is 77. 77 plus minus 8 is negative 77 minus 8 is negative 85. Letter E, let's try this. 2 times m to the third power times n to the second power, which is covered by a square root. So 2 is just 2 times 3, 2 to the third power. Since multiplying 2 times 2 to the third, you just add the exponents, it becomes 2 to the fourth. 3 is just the second. So getting the square root, just divide the exponents by 2. So that would give you 2 to the second times 3 equals to 4 to the third is equal to 12. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope that you would subscribe and tune in to the next videos and episodes. So don't forget guys, subscribe and keep on solving.